It's
I have
fun.
no doubt. I have no doubt. I can see it. And hey, there's nothing wrong with health competition with family members, right?
No, no.
Nothing at all. And first and obviously, lastly, um, it is a pleasure to have this conversation with you, Mario. It's I think there's a lot of good things, little nuggets that everybody's been able to get. And again, um, ask your questions, guys, on the comments, because this doesn't happen often that we have Mario with us. So this is an opportunity for you guys to really pick his brain and ask him questions. I mean, I'm not saying that he'll share his information. I'm just saying you can try.
Alan,
And
but this is the thing that I didn't mention. There is no secret recipe for this. You know, there is no a blueprint that fits all. Each contractor out there has to write their own recipe. You
That's
know,
right.
there is no secrets on this. You know, you make your own way. So for that, I'm very grateful, Alan. I hope this is not the last time. I hope I didn't say anything in the wrong way that you will never bring me back again. But I will say this: it feels good to know that there are people out there like yourself that see the roofing industry the same way we see it.